Wir bei Dentsply Sirona
At Dentsply Sirona, and particularly in the clinic business, we are committed to individual solutions. We feel that this is where we have a strong competitive advantage. We develop and produce simulation workplaces for laboratories and the dentistry education sector, with a focus on adapting to the individual universities and the requirements of the universities in the most customized way possible.
The simulation centers are initially developed in collaboration with the customer. Next, we make the first sketches and create the first drawings in CAD on the basis of the sketches. We work with 3D CAD throughout the entire process. When the first components have been ordered, we build the first samples in the craft corner and carry out the initial validation steps.
We build prototypes for our customers, enabling them to sit down with the devices and simulate their work methods.
Here in Bensheim, we have a showroom for our customers that is located right next to the development department. When a customer is invited to Bensheim, we come here and show him the entire range of products that we have to offer. Finally, we verify whether or not the product that we planned for the customer or the customer developed together with us still meets the requirements. We can also carry out grip tests again, check the ergonomics of the solution that the customer envisioned, and adjust everything once again in a fine-tuning process.
Wherever we go, we find different situations. You always need to understand the needs of your clients and translate those needs in terms of equipment specifications.
When we consult the clients, when we advise the clients, it's important to have and to gain their trust. So we come there as an open book, what we have, who we are, and give them the whole information about the quality of our products. Of course, that gives us the possibility of being always true, and that gives them the possibility of being more confident in what their product and our product is going to bring to their project.
Naturally, the customer gets a feel for what the final product will look like, in particular thanks to 3D solutions. This includes the actual paths the students and the teachers will be taking, which we can explain explicitly.